Hey everybody, this is Dee from Dee's Delicious Bites, and we're just going to do what I eat for breakfast. So I'm back with another video. Everybody, let's go. Check out my video. Everybody, let's go. Check it, video. Check out my video. If you're new, thank you for stopping by to check me out. And if you've been in it for a minute, thank you so much for coming back. This morning, I'm just going to have a quick omelet, something fast and easy and delicious. So we got some eggs and some shiitake mushrooms that my daughter does not like, so we won't be putting those in her omelet because she's here today. She's my cameraman. Got a little bit of milk over here, some scallions, some fresh shaved parm, some cheddar cheese, spinach, and I got my little tomatoes over to the side. And I think I'm going to make me some croissant. Gonna have that, a little bit of butter, maybe some jelly. Look at my new butter dish I just got from the home store. Isn't it the cutest? My little butter dish. And then, of course, you know I got to have me some coffee. So we'll figure out which one I'll be having here shortly. But right now, without further ado, let's get it cooking. I like butter with my eggs. I know some people do oil. No, I'm a fat kid. I like butter. So there it goes. Guess it would work a little bit better if I turned the pan on, wouldn't it? Oh, that looks like a lot of butter, but we'll be making two separate omelets, so it's not too bad. While that is melting, and it won't take long, I'm going to get these eggs crack-a-lacking. Who knows how to crack an egg one-handed? That would not be me. Seriously? Whatever. How do you know how to do that? I never taught you that. I don't know how to do that. She ain't telling the truth, y'all.
I am.
So our butter is melting. I'm going to turn this down because I don't want it to burn. And you know me, I love my pink salt. So I'm going in with a little bit of pink salt. Season your food, people. Going in with some pepper. I like garlic powder in my eggs. Sorry, I do. Sorry, not sorry, because it tastes good to me. You ought to try it. It might taste good to you. A little bit of milk. Give it a whisk. And all the kids in the pool. We're going to leave it alone and let it do what it do. Turn it up. Omelette you can cook fairly quickly. So when the edges start to cook, then I'm going to push the edges back and let the egg roll underneath. Need to push the edges back, let the egg roll forward. Not rocket science. And if my omelet doesn't turn out the way I want it to, guess what it becomes? Scrambled eggs with a whole lot of veggies. Because sometimes I don't know how to make an omelet either. Some days I have in my mind it's going to be an omelet, and then it's not. It'd just be eggs. That's how you get the liquid off the top. You want it to cook.
All types it into this.
So we can push it back.
Nice.
You want that to cook. So I'm going to slow it down and start adding Shishi's veggies. She likes spinach. Add her some spinach on hers. She loves cheese. Give her some scallions. Get all her goodies in here. Gonna save some cheese and some scallions for a topper. And then really you can just roll it. Now this is the trick. Sometimes I use two spatulas. Sometimes, like today, when I think I know what I'm doing, I use my fingers. And you can, if you have a hard time rolling it that way, you can actually roll this end in, this side in, doesn't matter. All you have to do is close it up. That's what makes it an omelet. It won't stay closed because it's trying not to. We're going to flip it. Oh, Lord, help me. We don't flip it. We might flip it. It might flip. Oh, no, it's tearing up. Come on, omelet. Come on. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. So it broke a little bit, but that's okay. It's still going to taste good. And what I like to do while the omelet's cooking, do you want tomatoes? While the omelet's cooking, I add tomatoes on mine. I just add a few. Check out my new cutting board.
That's cute.
I got it from the home store when I got the butter dish. I'll just put the tomatoes. I like for the tomatoes to kind of cook a little bit. So they go into the pan. Now's the time you want to add your extra cheese and your onions. Let that start to melt. And if you ever put your cheese and onions on and it's not melting, it's not doing what you want it to do, cover it. Cover it and the steam will make the cheese melt. Because the tomatoes didn't get any seasoning. A little pink salt, just a little bit. Quick and easy breakfast. Get those tomatoes in there. You can put them on top, you can put them on the side. It's just all a matter of how you want them. You want them on top, you want them on the side. What you want?
I like it on the side.
She likes her tomatoes on the side, people. So that's breakfast today for Sheena. Now you get mine going. I'll be back. So now we're filming my omelet. It's a little browner. Cheese on here.
Did I get some of that cheese?
No, you had some sharp cheese. This is medium cheddar. And then you had some Parmesan, some shredded Parm. I guess I could just let it slide out this way. We'll see how that does. Probably much better than when I did yours. Oh yeah. You live and you learn, people. So now that my omelet is done, I gotta have me some coffee. Can't live without my coffee. Pull my Keurig out. See this cup? Should have been my daughter's cup. It says, "Mother always said, love is all you need." But it's my cup, because that's what my mama told me. Let's go to Italian roast. I need something strong.
Today, if you're watching this video, this is how you cut a croissant.
Start from the back. Start from the fat piece. That way you get a more even cut. You start from the back. If you try to start from the front, it's going to be wonky. Time to get my grub on, people. So, if you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up, comment, subscribe, tell all your friends, your neighbors, your coworkers, your people down the street. Let them know what Dee is over here doing on Delicious Bites. And thank you to my new people for coming by And my oldies, if you've been in it for a minute, thank you for coming back. I love you guys so, so much. And until I see you and you see me, be blessed, be beautiful, be safe, be the best you can be. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.